Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're bringing you our favorite tea home remedy that we all use in the house. We use it anytime anyone has a little cold, a little cough, and it gets rid of it immediately. So stay tuned and check us out. Okay guys, this is pretty much all you need. Fresh lemon, ginger, thyme, honey. I like local honey. If you can find you some local honey, that'll be best. I like to use chai tea. This is black chai tea that I'm putting in the pot here. This is boiling water. It's already boiled. And I'm just placing my tea bag in. And then I'm going to add in the thyme. And I'm going to add in the ginger. I peel the ginger first and then I put it in. And then once it's peeled and everything's in the pot, I just let it steep for I let it go for at least 10 minutes or so. After 10 minutes, I'll just pour all of it in my mug or in my cup. Then I add the honey and the lemon. Okay, so I like a lot of lemon in mine. The kids don't like that much lemon, but I like a lot of lemon. So just on your preference. And as for the honey, at least do 2 tablespoons so it can get the effects of the honey. But my kids like a lot of honey, so I let them overindulge in that part. And they actually enjoy drinking it. So try it out for your family. Let us know how you like it. Like, share, and subscribe. And check us out on our next video. Talk to you later.